Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 17 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to create the sidewalk, and then we added the materials right here, and we added some lights. So now we're gonna continue working on this. What I want to do first, just to edit, is to extend this part right here. I'm just gonna edit extrusion and then move this one all the way right here. And then after that, it will all follow along. And then click finish after that. So now everything looks much better right here. And then what I want to do on this side is to add, or both side is to add like just a regular house, just because we wanted to show that there's like neighbors and not just like trees around. So it look more populated like that. So I'm gonna use one of the walls right here, maybe the exterior wall here, exterior wall number 1, and then I'm just going to add a house like this right here, and then maybe another one here, or maybe I'm going to put this one on the other side instead. Actually, I'm just going to extend this part right here, so it's a lot easier. And then it's all about just adding the roof. So I'm gonna click on roof. It will be on the second floor, level 2. And for this one, I'll define slope and then choose this one right here. And then trim and extend, and then trim and extend here as well. So we have the roof right here, so that looks good. Maybe I'm going to add in materials there for sure. And then here I'm going to add another roof, same thing. It will be on level 2, and I'm going to define slope on this side and then uncheck this. So I believe this is gable roof. And then in order for you to move this one up, attach it right there, and then select this one, attach top base. There we go. So now it's looking good. We could change all of this, edit, duplicate, and then we could add in a different material. Let's put in maybe bricks. Masonry, I'm going to put in gray, and then press OK on that. And then this one as well, edit, duplicate, edit this material, or just choose one of right here as well. and then we could just apply that. And then in terms of roof, we could just paint maybe shingles for one. I'm just going to add maybe this one right here. Just changing it a bit so that we could apply different materials from Twinmotion. And then maybe this one right here to change it up. And then I'm going to have a border wall as well. See, so I'm gonna put CS and right about here. And then for this to edit, duplicate exterior wall, and then change it. You can just duplicate it. And then we could put hedges here as well, or anything that you want to add. We can add in another wall right here. Of course, we could just change different walls. And then I'm gonna edit the height. So I'm gonna duplicate here. And then maybe masonry unit, duplicate that. Apply, okay, and then okay. And then in 3D, we can change it up. So I'm gonna make this a little bit high, because different owners can put different heights. And then this one as well, we could go higher. And of course, I want to add in some windows that we have here that they are pre-loaded already. And I just want to add them like that, and then at least align them all together. So that's good right there. And then maybe another window. Maybe a fixed window there. There we go. And then here as well, different window. Just changing it up. We're just adding some realism, so it's not just a empty block right there. And then we could add indoors. Anything like this one, and then we could just add here. So at least everything looks good. Of course, it's not something that we're gonna be able to see, so we're going to just add boundary walls as well here. Same on this side as well. So even though it's high, that's fine. And then this one is higher as well. So that looks good. I'm happy with the way this one looks. Maybe this, we're going to lower it a bit and then just align this one right here. I think that's good enough right there. So similar to this, I want to add the same thing. So I want to add the same thing here. So I'm gonna edit and go to south elevation. And then actually I'm going to edit this first. I want it to be 10 instead. And then let's do the same thing. So let's finish this first and then create an extrusion again. Pick a plane. You need to do this so that you will be able to set where it will be put. So now I want to put this one from here all the way down until here. So usually what I do is I create rectangles first, and then once you do, change the thickness afterwards. So we set 10 now, and then here 10 as well, and then 10 right here. You always have to click where you want it to be moved. So that's why I keep on selecting this so that it will move depending on what I set my distance. So once we do that, TR, trim and extend, and then trim and extend here. And then the error is indicating that we have those small ones still here. That's why we need to delete and select finish, and then finish again. So now this will light up as well all the way right here. We also need to add something here at the back. We have this that we need to add. It's not letting us add it, so there we go. I'm just going to add it there, and I think we're good. So go to level 2 or level 1. Add it in the middle, copy, and then just keep on typing 1000. And then you need to move it along. And then we need to go to manage because we want to create a starting view. So before that, let's go to ground floor again, and then go right here and then click on camera. So go to drop down of the 3D view and then camera, and then we need to take an image, and then this image is the one that we're gonna use as a starting view and then a rendering image later on. So here I'm going to set this one as realistic. As you can see, it looks good like that, and then this will be my starting view. So to create that, go to manage, click on starting view. This is named 3D view 1, so we need to search for that, and usually it's the first one right here. Click on OK, and then every time you open this project, this will be your starting view right here. So that's something that you can do as well. And then go back to 3D, and then let's see if this is leveled. So that's good. I want to maximize the height right here, and then all the way at the end right there, and because of that it looks much better. And maybe I could maximize it here, but I don't want that because it might look funny. So I'm just maximizing the windows like that. Here I still want to create some gap here, so that's why I left it like this. But as you can see, this one is a lot bigger than this part right here, the spacing, so I'm gonna move it a little bit. I'm just eyeballing it, so you can do the same, or you could use this to be exact, so the dimensions. So that looks good right there, but we need to align this one as well. So align this with this, and then this is all equal leveled. I'm thinking of just pulling this down, but I want to see how it looks first. I think this is good enough right here. I'm happy with the way this one looks, so that's good enough for me. And then maybe I could just create an awning here, or just this part right here. This one is gypsum moldboard 3. I think this is good enough right here, just having it plain like that, because without distraction I like this one, and then having a chandelier and then lights coming out here is amazing. So that's why what we did is this one right here. And then I would like to edit this part right here. So the problem that we have here is the base level 1 and then level 2, but for some reason it looks like this one right here. So I think the issue is having to do with extending this part. So we're gonna get one from here, but that's fine, and then it will at least good enough for that. Okay, so that looks good right there. And then obviously we're gonna add some trees once we're in Twinmotion, and then grass as well, because that looks much better. So in the coming video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create some sheets, and then we're gonna add all these views on that sheets. So thank you for watching, and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.